Let me, on behalf of the government and people of the state, most sincerely thank the service commanders and legionnaires for their patience for us to launch this year's emblem appeal fund. Of course, just like the Secretary to Government has said, the importance of this echoes the support for our men and women who have been fighting for us, those of them who have lost their lives and their widows, how we can support them. January 15th usually is the Remembrance Day in particular, which the Remembrance Day will be January 15th next year. But before that Remembrance Day, we normally have what we call emblem appeal launch in order to raise money to support them. The chairman had requested that we should support them to have a secretariat. Just a simple question, I've been in office for 6 years. In these 6 years of our launch of emblem, how much have you made? In the Remembrance Day, how much are the state government giving to you? You see, it is people just come to take sympathy. I'm not going to give you any secretariat. Because if you check for the 6 years, I have launched this emblem not less than 20 million naira each year. And you check each January 15, I have not given people not less than 150 million every year. So when you calculate it, you can have your own secretariat. You just like everybody believe that government is just give government anywhere. Anytime you go there, government will put hand and bring money and give you. It is not so. The essence is for you to take this money to put yourself together and make sure that you make something out of it. It's not association when government gives money, you fight over it. This person said, I'm the leader, this person said, I'm not there, nobody gives account. So it is not done. We must be serious in whatever we are doing. We must be serious. I mean, what is leadership? Leadership is all about you being able to put your people together, you being able to put your resources together, and say, during my tenure, this is what I was able to achieve. Not every time government should give. Where is all this money giving? I'm aware that I released 20 million naira to you. How many days now? I don't even know where that one will go. So it's and then expecting also money from government to support widows and this. And at the end of the day, nobody knows what you are doing with the money. So I appeal to everybody to support you in today's launching of to support you. So Rivers State government will continue to do the traditional things of launching the emblem. Got the responsibility that the military is under the federal government, police is under the federal government. It's under the federal government. So don't shift the responsibility of the federal government to state. What we're merely doing is to support. What is the federal government doing? What are they doing for you? So everything should not be left in the hands of the state. So on this note, we'll launch this year's emblem with a sum of 20 million naira.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.